In order to access Teams, you need to click on My Apps if you're on a district computer. If you're at home, you can still access My Apps if you go to the PSD website, click on or go to Students and Families, and My Apps login. From here, you can click on the Teams icon. You can load the desktop app, but it has the same functionality as the web-based version, so it doesn't matter either way. The most frequently used team is the SPED certificated staff team. You should have you should be able to see your classes if you are a classroom teacher, and then any other team to which you have been added. Today, let's look at SPED certificated staff, and underneath here we have channels, which are basically like folders. If you click on Assessments, the first thing you see is Conversations tab. You can scroll back and look at previous conversations. This is where I recommend asking questions specific to this channel. And you can tag anybody that you want in order to ask them a specific question, but everybody on that team will still be able to see it. If you click on Files, this houses all of the resources and information that we've added. So, for example, the Woodcock-Johnson 4 has a folder with information in here. You can open up these documents in Teams or in the web-based version of Word if you want to print, or even on your desktop app, depending on what you have.